Introducing the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler. Rest assured, your Santa Fe has everything you need to make excursions convenient, comfortable, and confident. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.